Matanya ma kugia na kihonia kigie ndugamano iria ikoretwo ho igie mbeca iria kaunti cibatie ni kwamukira mwaka uyu wa kimbeca mauma iguru mbere ya giikaro gia kamiti ya uiguano kwambiriria umuthi o nginya riria senators mugwanja magire gwikinyia nao abunge matinahitha matukuya mao.
We take our time to come here on a matter that we believe is of national importance, only to realize that the other house does not take this matter seriously.
But when people who have the singular duty of protecting the interest of counties are not present, Mr. Chair, and it sends a message that tells Kenyans clearly where the problem lies now.
Giikaro kia umuthi gikuhaririirio thutha wa giikaro kingi kuhanika kiumia githiru na kuria meneno yeri yagire kuiguana Senate kinyitirira ati kaunti ciheo ciringi bilioni 335 nayo bunge kiuga ati no ciringi bilioni 316 cingionekana.
Where do we get 6.5 billion deficit?
Nikugiire na muthako wa njorotano gugituika ati mwena wa Senate ni urendekithitie giikaro giki gitirio no ameba kamiti no kuma mwena wa bunge marahinga matu na guthingereria ati mutaratara wa gutiria mucemanio uyu no nginya urumirirwo.
That day that we were proposing this date on our first meeting, they will have said that they were not available.
I even said, Honorable Duale, because I didn't know the chair was available, let's have the meeting on Tuesday. He insisted that we do it tomorrow.
The chairman, I am the one who said we must proceed with the meeting as was decided by another meeting.
Kamiti no yaheirwo ihinda ria mweri umwe ni igoti rikaru ikorwo yethete kihonia kia ndugamano ino na giki kiuma giikaro gia keri guthata nao ni kuga ati nginyagia tariki 11 mweri ukite riria giikaro kingi gigatabanio kaunti ciguthie na mbere o guikara ndumaini citakumenya ni mbeca cigana maria mukira. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani wa Gujiri.